What's up, guys? Welcome to DIY Dad. Thank you guys for coming back and watching this video. So this week we're going to do a little something different. I'm actually going to do like a tool review. I just picked up the new Ryobi power cutter kit. This is from their new 4-volt tool line that has the new lithium chargeable USB batteries, and then it came with the power cutter itself. So I got a bunch of boxes to get broken down, so we're going to kind of put it through its paces today and see how well or how bad it does. Kind of excited about this one, so stick around and we'll get to it. Alright, so here we are in the backyard with our power cutter. I didn't mention this before, so Ryobi used to have a Tech 4 line which had a lot of really cool, innovative tools that used a 4-volt battery system that was rechargeable. And so now this new line, the power cutter, it's a whole new line of their 4-volt tools, which I assume is replacing the old Tech 4 line because they have a lot of new innovative tools. So just to kind of kick this off, I'm actually gonna, we know how hard these clamshell packages are to open, so I'm gonna open this one with the old Tech 4, so, you know, out with the old and with the new kind of thing. That's funny because my battery is actually dying on this one. I should have checked it before I started this video. But there we go. Let's see how this thing looks. I mean, first impressions, it's actually pretty hefty. Like, it has some weight to it. So let's get it charged up and see how it cuts. Alright, so here we go, just so you guys can see, and I didn't charge this beforehand, so hopefully it has enough juice to put it, do what we're going to do right now. But here's the new battery, the new 4-volt battery. Just goes in there, screws on. It also comes with a USB-C cable to charge that connects directly to the battery. So I got this clamshell package here. Let's see how well it does on this. Oh yeah, that's smooth like butter. Dang, that's nice. That opened pretty nice. Alright, let's try out these boxes here. Let's see, it does have like a little guide that you can put it in. Oh yeah, this thing cuts really well. Put it in there. There you guys can see how well it cuts. Alright, I mean, this thing cuts really well. So, I'll just get the rest of these broken down and see if it really saves me some time. So the Ryobi 4-volt lithium power cutter, I think this thing worked great. It cut through all these boxes like butter. It cut through the plastic wrap like butter. It was really easy. I didn't even charge the battery, so you know, it wasn't even a full charge, and it did all this. I did have one hang up you might have noticed when I went off camera. I did go through a staple at one point, and I had to actually go get a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the staple because it got caught here in the spinning mechanism. But that was the only hang up. Other than that, it worked great. If you have a lot of boxes you need to break down, packages you need to open, and you don't want to put that much effort into doing so, go ahead and pick one of these up. It gets 2 thumbs up from me. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning in this week. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, and I will see you guys next week.